probably can't see it on the camera, but this place here, we are in Badgeworth. Being in the countryside, the sky is so much, it's so much clearer than it is in Croydon and London in general, because there's no light pollution here. So even though you probably can't see it on the camera, there is so many planets and stars and moons visible. You probably can't see it, but about 3 o'clock at the tower is Orion's belt. That's one thing we can see in Croydon when it appears. Anyway, this is Friday. This is just the beginning. 5 more tales after this tomorrow.